What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how you can make circle webcam in OBS Studio. Launch OBS Studio. Navigate to the scene right here. Click this plus sign button below to add another scene. Name your scene. In our case, let's name it as webcam. Click OK once done. After that, navigate to the sources just beside the scenes. Then click the plus sign button over here. Select the video capture device. Select your webcam. Click OK once done. Now right-click this video capture device on your sources and filters on the option. On the Effects Filter tab, click the plus sign below and select Image, Mask, or Blend. Hit OK. Over here, we want to go to Browse right here. This will take you to your local device. Make sure you have your circle mask downloaded or created. Click Open once you've selected your mask. You can now see that your webcam is now in circle. Click Close below, reposition it wherever you want, and you're good to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.